So this is the Park Central Hotel. It's on 53rd Street. It's a 36-story building where we remodeled all the guest rooms and public spaces.
So we've done a full facelift on the lobby. We've demoed all of the old finishes, and I've done a full TI for the hotel here with a new bar, new restaurant, new marketplace, and reception desks, as well as 16 meeting rooms on the second floor and another 8 on the third floor, including a large ballroom.
So our scope for the guest room was to demo existing finishes and put in all new finishes in all the rooms, relocate electrical, new plumbing fixtures. There are some rooms where we converted from ADA rooms to standard rooms, and also standard rooms, converted those to ADA rooms. Those are the rooms that had the most work in them, so probably construction-wise were the biggest challenge.
The hotel maintained operations the whole time. In some scale, it was less than their full occupancy, obviously, but they always had to put the guest experience first. So if it meant delaying work on the construction side, there was no question.
A project like this, it's all down to schedule. They wanted this job done fast to meet a deadline for a big convention they had coming up. And it's a lot of rooms, 681 rooms and 32 floors. So we figured out how many rooms we needed to take and do at a time in order to make that schedule. And it turned out to be we needed to take 2 floors of the hotel roughly every week. So we were taking 40 to 50 new rooms every week.
So for the public areas, we had about 34,000 square feet to renovate. So we had to cut up the lobby into 2 or 3 phases that had to align at the end of the day, right? So we had high-end finishes, marble and stone, that all had to marry up and match perfectly, even though we were building it at 2 different times.